Hey guys, this is Saksham from Tech Shenanigans, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make a bootable drive or DVD to install any Windows in your PC. We are going to use Power ISO software to make the bootable drive. You can either use a DVD which is 4.7 GB or you can use a pen drive. You need at least a 8 GB pen drive for the flashing of Windows ISO on it. To download the Windows ISO file and the Power ISO software. So step 1, download Power ISO. Power ISO is a free software, so you can download it directly from the site. I will link the site in the description below. Next up is to download the Windows ISO file. You can download it from the official Microsoft website, but to buy the full version of it, you have to pay for it. You can download it for free from the Microsoft website itself, but it's the trial version. It will show you activate Windows Now on the corner of your screen. Or if you want it for free, you can just download it from the torrent, which will be illegal, of course. If you want to download the ISO from Microsoft website, you go on Microsoft website and click this button, download tool now. I have already downloaded it, so I'll open it. Hit accept. The next part is to click this create installation media for another PC. Use the recommended options. If you want to change these, you can just click this and select. I'm gonna go ahead with this. The next here what you have to do is use this option, ISO file. This is a big file of approximately 3.5 to 3.7 GB. So download the ISO file and we'll flash it in the USB drive with our Power ISO software. It will ask where you want to download it. So just choose where you want to download it and click save. Next what you have to do is plug in your USB drive and open Power ISO. Remember to run Power ISO as an administrator. So now you have to have your pen drive connected and go on tools, create bootable USB drive. Here you have to select the ISO and here you have to select the USB drive. The USB drive is already selected, my pen drive SanDisk Cruiser Blade, and here you have to select the ISO file where you have downloaded it. So I have it here. I have Windows 7 ISO, Windows 10 too, here it is. Windows 10, it's selected. Both things are selected, the ISO file and the pen drive. Now you hit start. It will say that all the data will be erased. You have to save your data first because it will be formatted. If you have done it, click OK. The flashing process has started. It will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes to do it. When it will be completed, you will get a pop-up like this. Just click OK and your pen drive has been flashed. So this is the pen drive, and when I click it, here the setup is flashed. You can use this in your PC You can use this method for any other Windows 7, 8.18. You just need the ISO and a pen drive. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It will be appreciated.